Hi guys, so I'm not sure if I started the vlog, but if I didn't, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle and beauty videos. So if you're interested in that kind of content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click that bell so you know every time I make a video. So in today's video, I'll be doing a pamper routine from head to toe, full works. Right now I don't have on my nails, but this is actually the day I finished this video and just hopped out of finishing it. Anyways, let me rest you guys here because my hand's tired. So yes, just finished filming the video, but I'm not sure if I did a intro. So this is my intro, guys. So hey, hope you guys are doing great. So I think everybody in their life needs to get at least one day for each month to take for your pamper day, just to pamper yourself. I don't do it every day every month, but I do it like probably like 4 times a year. I know I normally do it in Christmas, I normally do it in summer, and like in between, like on my birthday I normally do it then. And then, you know, like those times that's when I normally have like my full body pamper routine, you know, in those times. So don't think it's like we just get up and do this like every day, you know, but do this like occasionally, right? But I think we all deserve it like at least once per month, even though we don't do it. But yeah, go ahead and enjoy this aesthetic looking video, my first time making it. So yeah, let us get into it. You're so done.
I mean, do it. Be sure to sound
right. Might not pull you out.
See, I mean, do it. We just don't do that one, yeah?
And tight.
Booty clap, booty clap, booty clap.
No, but they're not seeing you.
Booty clap, booty clap. But you know what I
Yes, guy. No, I don't want them. I don't want you to be taken away from me, so I have to hide you. So yes, guys, I'm almost finished with the part. Hi guys, so it is currently 6:24 on Tuesday, March 9th, and I know I started this vlog about, you know, doing my hair and all, and I did say if I'll link it of how I did my hair. Now I'm gonna be doing my nails. So I'm using these nails I got from my sister at a box exchange thingy. It's a Joy Me nails. This is not the press one. So I bought some glue. I'm gonna try out, see if it's hard up or not. I have my file and I have my primer just to protect my nails from the glue. Yeah, I'm gonna do that while I'm watching some Perry. Hey guys, so I've done my nails and this is what it looks like. I decided to do white hair, then this little design, then the brown on the big finger and that finger, and then a little grayish thing. So yeah, that's what I did for the 2 fingers, so the 2 hands. So yeah, that's that. thank you so much for watching this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed. It was my first time actually attempting like a full aesthetic video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click that bell so you're notified every time I make a video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.